puppies are 7 weeks old today. No, 7 weeks old yesterday. And they're to that age when I'm not allowed to come out here without them all bombarding me. Here comes Relic. And there's Mac. Of course, he's always easy to spot. This is Logan. He's sitting there cocking his head at me. I just tossed this new toy in for them to enjoy, and we'll probably be playing with it later. That's Ollie way over there on the other side. I think he heard his name though. Ollie! Here, Ollie! Good job, Ollie! There we go. Now, I'll just back up a little bit. There they all are, running out, wanting to be petted, so forth. There's Relic, Logan, Ollie, there's Churchill, and Mac. They're doing quite well. They're not as round and chubby as I'd like them to be, but that's because they've just been weaned, and that usually means that they're a little on the thin side until they get used to eating kibble. But that's okay, they'll gain it right back. They've been running around chasing me through the fence for a bit. And I was doing some gardening work, and of course they all wanted to come with me. So they're a little on the tired side right now. That's good. We'll just relax pretty soon. Take a break.